Right now, there's somebody sitting on the internet waiting for you to pitch your product, show them your YouTube video, show them your website. These people are so targeted that they are actually craving for this information, and they actually go searching for it on the internet and try to find places where other people are. In this video, I'm going to show you where those places are, how to utilize them, and how to make a killing off of forums. That's right, you heard him. It's forums. So what is this video for? What is this video about, right? This video is how to make money on forums. And we're going to go into depth on what exactly you need to know, right? Well, this method, this whole entire process is free. And there's actually a couple methods. You can do it literally from anywhere. And it's phone friendly. That's really important to me that you'll be able to do it from your mobile phone. A lot of people just don't have the resources to have a complete desktop or even a laptop, but most people have a cell phone. So who is this for? This is for people that like a cut and paste type method. A plus B equals C. Do this, get this in return. If that sounds like you, this method is for you. People that don't have a lot of money, right? So you're kind of bootstrapping this internet business, right? This is for you. If maybe you're invested in something else, but you want to diversify, maybe you just want to try to see if you can take a little crack at making some money without having any money. I don't know. This is for you. People that like to grind it out, okay? So people actually like to do the same thing over and over and over again. They like to do the same job. There's a bit of security and feeling like I just have to do this one thing over and over again. The monotony causes a lot of security. Now, that might sound like a negative, but to a lot of people, all I have to do is this, and I do this over and over again. And if I do this over and over again, I get money, right? It's as simple as that. So, we're talking about forums. Before we get into this too deep, my name is Eric. This is Wealth Attitude. This is my channel. If you like methods on how to make money online, how to grow digital assets, and how to have a freedom lifestyle, click the little subscribe button. Make sure that you tick the bell notification so that way you get notified every time I release a video when I release the video. And then while you're doing that, head over to my Facebook group. It is Wealth Attitude. It's the Money Online Mastermind group. This is where we do a lot of chit chat all the time. So you don't have to wait for the comment to be answered. If you want something answered, go into the Facebook group. You'll get your answer that you're looking for quickly, right? So I'm in the make money online niche. That's what I do. I teach people how to make money online. It's what I've been interested in. I've been doing it for over a decade. So everything that I'm interested in is make money online. It's very, very difficult to find any really, really good information. You can look on YouTube and you'll find some people that have some, but they're not going to tell you everything, and they're looking to sell you something. I don't have a problem with that. I really don't. But if you were to buy everybody's method to see if it works, to buy their course or whatever they're trying to, you will go broke really quick. So everybody's got payment proofs of how all this works, but nobody's going to show you any real true methods. They're going to give you what's called the bird's eye view, the 10,000 foot view. They're going to show you the general overall method of how it works. And you kind of have to either buy their course to fill in the gaps, or you have to just get experience on your own. Now, people shortcut this by going to forums, right? So one of the forums that I go to is very, very active. It's Black Hat World. It's a very, very active forum for internet marketing. If you want to know how to make money online, there's a couple forums. This forum isn't trying to sell you. In fact, they don't even really allow affiliate links. They don't even allow YouTube videos for people to subscribe to their channel kind of stuff. It's really on lockdown. So they have an in-depth forum section, right? They have two ways that you could potentially utilize. Most forums do, not specifically Black Hat World, but two ways that you can really utilize, right? So the first one is the marketplace. Most forums are going to have a place where you can buy, sell, trade, whatever. That's the marketplace. Usually you have to buy a sales thread. You pay like $50 or $100 or $10, whatever the forum wants. And then you can open up a sales thread and you can sell things, right? Really, really good way to make money. On here, there are tons of people in many, many different ways. You do content like writing articles and stuff like that. You could do link building. You could do social media. You can make websites. Tons and tons of stuff that you can definitely do. The second way that you can make money is by building up a digital asset like a YouTube channel or a blog or something along that lines, an email list, and you put out really high quality content and you get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, go check out your blog, or get on an email list, right? And how you do that is you find really, really active parts of the forum and you post really good information and you say, hey, if you want to know more about this, go check out my YouTube channel, go check out my blog, go sign up to my email list, right? Now, I'm going to show you some proof that this actually can generate you a lot of views on what you have, right? So if you, I don't know what's the quickest way to do this. I think it's just quicker to check out my profile. I'm going to show you a couple of threads that I had and show you how many views that you're able to get, right? So that's the most important part. You got to get views to your thing, right? So let's see, we need postings, and let's see here. I can't remember which ones really went. This one was a good one. I don't know if it shows the views in the actual forum, but anyways, I made this posting and I posted a little video with it, and that video, this basically went viral, right? Viral in the sense that you can see it had a lot of thread love. As you can see, there's 6 different pages in it. So a lot of people saw this. A lot of people saw the video, ended up coming over, even though I didn't ask them to, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. A lot of you guys have said, hey, it came from Black Hat World. This is how it's done, right? So if you were in a different niche, like say weight loss, right? Basically what you're going to do is you're going to produce some really good content that people are definitely going to dig and definitely like. And then you're going to point them towards your YouTube channel, your blog, or your your email list. That's where you start to sell stuff, okay? You're just generating the traffic from here. Now, how do you do that? Well, first, you need to find a bunch of forums. That's first and foremost. So let's say you're in the weight loss niche. So you just type in weight loss forums. You need to get yourself a list of weight loss forums, right? You need just a ton of them, right? So you got weight loss fitness, weight loss management. I don't know what that is, but you're going to go through. And all I did in Google, obviously, was type in weight loss and forum, right? And that way I was able to get this huge, let's see, here's a top 100 weight loss blog websites, newsletters. So go through here, find some blogs that you can comment on. Here you go. You got the Daily Diabetes Forum, which is kind of a subset of weight loss, right? So Weight Loss Buddy, Weight Loss Forum. So you can go, and then you got all these related. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to sign up for like 10 plus forums, right? Get into 10 plus different forums. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a profile, a really nice profile. This is going to be your main profile. And you're going to start commenting in these forums. This takes a little bit of time. This is where the grind comes, okay? Doesn't cost you any money to do this, but this is where the grind comes. You're going to start commenting, right? Now, while you're commenting in these forums, you're going to make an additional, say, 3 to 5 accounts for each one of these 10 forums, right? So you should somewhere have around 30 to 50 accounts within those 10 forums, if that makes sense, right? And basically what this is to do is this is to help bump your thread. So if you come in here, right, and if I was to go to the very bottom and I was to comment on this thread, right? If I was to comment, see, as you can see, people are, I think I need to bookmark this to read this later. As soon as someone comments this, it goes to the top of the forum list. And so instead of sitting on page 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes page 1, front and center for everyone to read in the Make Money forum. So if you're on weight loss and you commented on the diabetes, whatever, it bumps it all the way to the top. That's why you want multiple forums, so that you can interact with yourself and bump those posts up to the top. Because the more people that see your blog, your whatever link, whatever you're trying to promote, the better. And the best way that they can see it is if your post is front and center. Now, I understand that this might feel a little bit gray hat, kind of like maybe greasy, but I can assure you this is how most people do it. And it doesn't really harm or hurt anybody. Nobody knows that you uh, um, have multiple accounts doing this. This isn't like somebody's watching you and like judging you from on high. You're giving credible information. You're having conversations with yourself just to get that up there so people can see your post. You want them to see your link, so they'll go and subscribe. They'll go check out your offer or whatever, right? Now, these people are on these forums for a reason. They really are passionate about that niche. So passionate that they signed up for an account and are talking to other people that are passionate about that niche. What better traffic source? There are no better traffic source than people in a forum that are actually talking. The whole thing is set up just perfectly. You can't get this interaction in a Facebook group because your post gets buried really quickly. The reach on Facebook is getting limited every day. The same thing on YouTube. YouTube is great. I absolutely love YouTube, but it's very difficult if you want to get your message out there. You have to do a lot of keyword research, and you have to be very targeted, and you got to need a little bit of luck. With forums, you can make your own luck, and you can bump your posts to the top, and you can do a lot of things to get your whatever you're promoting in front of people that are laser targeted, passionate about it, right? So now that you know exactly how to do this, what exactly it is, now you need to go and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.